Hello, and thank you for purchasing another premium Bestway product. Over the next few minutes, we will show you how to set up and maintain your pool. Please keep in mind this video is to accompany the printed user's manual and is not a substitute. Pay careful attention to the warnings and safety instructions included in the manual, and be sure to visit your local pool retailer for information on treating the water in your pool. The most important part of setting up your pool is to ensure your selected location is level and capable of supporting the pool the entire time it is set up. Be sure to clear the area of any sharp objects or debris. Not all the items covered in this video will apply to your pool. Ensure the ladder is set up and ready to use. You will need the ladder to set up the pool. Assemble the side supports. Insert the hardware and tighten. Connect the side-bottom metal pieces. Once you have attached all the components to the side supports, attach the steel belt. Now assemble the bottom rails. Note, there are two sizes of rails. The small rails connect to the side supports. Use the rail connectors to connect the rails. Leave about 1.5 centimeters between the ends of the rails. Continue until all the rails are in position. Place the bottom metal pieces under the rails at the joints. Put the wall-on cardboard in the center of the circle with the skimmer port at the top. Wear protective gloves when handling the metal wall. Place the skimmer port where the water filtration system will be installed. Make sure your water filter can be plugged directly into a power port. Warning: do not plug your filter into an extension cord. This is a fire hazard that can lead to property damage. Start at the side supports and insert the wall into the bottom rails. Continue around the pool. Connect the ends of the wall together. Line up the screw holes and place the bolts through the inside of the pool. Note, the washers and nuts should be on the outside of the wall. Tighten the hardware. Completely insert the wall into the bottom rail. Check to see if the pool wall is level. Warning: if the pool wall is not level and deviation is more than 2 centimeters, you must level the ground beneath the pool to ensure it sits properly. Use the provided tape to cover the bolts inside the pool to protect the pool liner. Fix the two inside bottom protectors to the side supports. Spread out the pool liner. Drape the liner over the pool wall. Hold the liner in place with clips. The liner should fold approximately 8 centimeters over the wall. Warning: if the liner is smaller than the steel wall, do not stretch or force the liner. Stop immediately and call our service center for assistance. The number is on the user's manual. Fill the pool with 1 or 2 centimeters of water. Enter the pool to smooth out the liner. Work from the center outwards. At the side supports, attach the joint protectors. To assemble the top rails, slide the rail connectors into one end of a top rail and connect another top rail. Maintain a gap of 1.5 centimeters between the rails. Continue around the pool until all top rails are joined together. Warning: do not bunch or overlap the liner when attaching the top rails. The liner should have no creases. Next, attach the side top metal pieces. Attach the top metal pieces over the top of the rails. Continue around the pool. Now install the top platforms. Note there are 2 sizes of platforms. The small platform connects to the side supports. Start at the steel wall joint and install the platforms. Make sure that you place the longer side of the top platform facing out and the shorter side facing inside the pool. Continue installing the top platforms around the pool. Fix the joint protectors to the vertical supports and screw them into position. Do this for all the vertical supports. Now attach the vertical supports to the pool. Ensure the vertical supports are straight and install the hardware. Tighten the hardware. Continue installing the vertical supports around the pool. Make sure the top platforms are inside the joints. Hook an upper joint protector over the inside edge of a top rail. Pull it down and fasten it into position. Continue installing the upper joint protectors around the pool. Fill until the water is 5 centimeters below the inlet. Warning: do not install the skimmer or the inlet kit before filling the pool. The liner must be properly taut with the pressure of the water. To install the inlet, attach the gasket and push the inlet against the liner from inside the pool. From outside of the pool, use a knife to cut the liner. Cut a circle around the protruding edge of the inlet. Now attach the gasket and nut. Tighten using the provided tool. Coat the inlet adapter with Teflon tape. Screw the inlet adapter into place. Now install the skimmer. From inside the pool, push the faceplate and gasket against the liner. Push the screws through the liner. Place the gasket and skimmer housing on the pool wall and tighten the screws. Warning: secure the screws 75% into position and ensure that the housing and inside faceplate are correctly aligned. Make sure that the gasket is not pinched or damaged. Do not over-tighten, as this may cause damage. Tighten the screws into position. Cut the pool liner. Coat the skimmer adapter with Teflon tape. Screw the adapter into position. Attach the weir to the skimmer. Insert the stopper plugs to prevent water from escaping the pool. Note: once the filter is attached, remove the stopper plugs to allow water to flow to the pump. Keep the stopper plugs in a safe place for filter pump maintenance. Continue to fill the pool until water reaches halfway into the skimmer box opening. Stick the provided labels onto the wall. Make sure A is next to the inlet and B is next to the outlet. In the following sections of this DVD, we will show you how to install your filter pump. Once the filter is installed, place the basket into the skimmer and close the lid. You will need to remove debris from the skimmer. When the filter is operational, attach the inlet port. To winterize your pool, use a pump or garden hose to partially drain the pool to approximately 10 centimeters below the inlet valve. Note: it is not necessary to completely drain and dismantle the pool. Warning: swimming pool water is chemically treated and should not be drained into your garden. If you have any questions about our products, please visit our website. Thanks for watching.